Thịt Kho Tàu, a dish older than the borders drawn around it. From the Mekong Delta, the warm, water-laced south of Vietnam, where families have braised pork and egg in dark caramel and coconut water for as long as anyone can remember. This is a dish that asks for patience, not skill. There is no searing rush here, no bright sauce thrown together in minutes. Only sugar, pork, and time. In the South, they call it the dish that waits for you. It is cooked once and eaten slowly over many quiet days, growing deeper and darker and kinder with every gentle reheating. 6 servings, 45 minutes to prepare, 1 hour and 45 minutes to braise, 2.5 hours in all. You will need 2 pounds of pork belly, 6 tablespoons of fish sauce, 6 whole eggs, 3 cups of fresh coconut water, 4 shallots, 6 cloves of garlic, 4 tablespoons of palm sugar, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 tablespoon of oil. First, the eggs. Lower 6 of them into gently boiling water and let them sit for 7 minutes. Then peel them slowly and set them aside. Now the pork belly. 2 pounds cut into large chunks, each one 2 inches across. Generous, unhurried. This is a dish that loves a big, forgiving piece of meat. Lay the pork in a bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, Nuoc Mam, a teaspoon of black pepper, 2 sliced shallots, and 3 cloves of garlic. Turn the pieces with your hands until each one glistens. Then let it rest for 30 minutes. The salt draws inward. The pork begins to listen. Now the heart of the dish, the caramel Nuoc Mam. 4 tablespoons of palm sugar alone in a heavy pot over a low, patient heat. Do not stir, only watch. It melts, it pools, it turns from gold to amber to a deep, dark bronze. This is where the dish is won or lost. Rush it, and it turns bitter. Wait, and it turns to silk. Into that dark caramel, the last 2 shallots, and 3 more cloves of garlic. They hiss and bloom, and the kitchen fills with their sweetness. Then the pork. Lay every marinated piece into the pot and let it sear for 5 minutes, turning gently until each chunk wears the caramel like a glaze. Dark, glossy, alive. Now, the coconut water. 3 full cups. Poured in cool and clear, along with the rest of the fish sauce, 5 tablespoons. Bring it to a slow boil. Skim away the pale foam that rises, then lower the heat until the surface barely trembles. Cover the pot and let it simmer for 1 full hour. The pork softens, the liquid darkens. After the hour, lift the lid. Steam rises in a warm cloud. Now the eggs. Lower them in one by one and let them bathe in the dark braise. Simmer uncovered now for 30 minutes more until the sauce thickens and clings and the eggs turn the color of old amber. The pork by now gives way at the touch of a spoon. This is a dish of the south, of the Mekong Delta, where rivers braid through rice fields and coconut groves. It is humble food, farmers' food, born of a place where pork was precious and a single pot had to feed a family for days. So they cooked it long and salted it well so that it would keep. Frugality slowly turned into something tender. The name itself is a small mystery. Thịt Kho means braised meat, but Tàu, no one fully agrees. Some say it points across the sea to the south. Others, in the old river dialect, say Tàu simply meant sweet, the sweet braise. Perhaps that is the truest answer, a dish so loved that even its name tastes of caramel. But more than anything, this is the dish of Tet, the Lunar New Year. In the final days of the old year, the great pot is set to simmer. The square chunks of pork, the round whole eggs, laid side by side. Earth and heaven, completeness, family. It is made in abundance on purpose, so that no one need cook through the holy days of rest. A pot that quietly says, "Stay, eat. You are home." Everything in the pot tells you where you are. The coconut water, sweet and clean, from the groves of Benche. The fish sauce, aged in wooden barrels by the warm southern coast. The palm sugar, dark as river mud. No single flavor shouts. They lean on one another. Salt softened by sweetness, sweetness grounded by salt, until the whole pot hums in one low, contented note. Lift a piece of pork to the light. It trembles, soft as custard, dark as lacquer. Beside it, an egg, stained amber through and through. Spoon the deep sauce over warm rice and let the steam rise to meet you. Thịt Kho endures because it never tried to impress. It only tried to keep a family fed through lean days and feast days and every quiet evening in between. It is patience made edible. It is love that learned to wait. And the table, at last, is set.